School has always been a special place for us students. We met people that became our family. We created beautiful memories that I guess will stay forever in our hearts. We laughed together. We enjoyed the time when we're still together.
The Philippines has announced a lockdown of the entire Metro Manila area.
The hard truth is that the Philippines may not afford to handle cases beyond its capacity.
Today's elementary and high school students will start a new school year at home.
Until the COVID-19 vaccine is available, I will not allow the traditional face-to-face teaching.
Because of the pandemic, education suddenly changed from traditional to online learning. Everyone's adjusting and trying to move forward amidst the challenges. We students are here to give you information about the Brightspace, an innovative learning management system for creating, hosting, and editing online learning resources. It contains a flexible suite of tools for creating custom content for institutions, courses, and users.
Hey everyone, my name is Anthony WAGAN. Together with JANRAE MANGUNDAYAO, we are going to talk about how to use Brightspace. First and foremost, you have to go to their website, which is here. It is pablo.stpatrick.brightspace.com. This is our school, which is San Pablo Colleges. So in here, we can see the login page. You have to enter your username. So my username is aa.wagan. Password, I have to type here my password. After that, we can see the home page. So for example, I click Purposive Communication. In Purposive Communication, we have different tabs here. So the first, we are going to discuss about this course home. In this course home, you are going to see all of the lessons and your class progress in general, and also if your teacher has an announcement, you can see it here. Attached here is the Zoom meeting link that we always use during English class. Next will be the assignments. So here you can see all of your assignments. It is listed here, and of course your completion status. So I haven't submitted yet. So your score, you're also gonna see it here, the evaluation status, and the due date. In quiz, you are all gonna see all of your quiz here. So the first is I already took the first quiz, so it won't appear here now. All I can see is the second quiz and the evaluation status. So whenever your professor or your teacher corrected your activity, quiz, or whatever it is that he assigned to you, in this grade tab, you are all gonna see your grade. So for now, my professor doesn't put my grade here yet, so I am waiting for that. Course tools. Course tools, it includes announcement, checklist, groups, quizzes, surveys, virtual classroom, video assignments, and the class list and awards. So when I click announcement, it will go to the just like in course home, there is an announcement tab in here in the right part. It is just course tools is just basically the shortcut of everything. Also, we have here the messages. These messages, I click here, there's no instant message yet, but its function is it notifies you about your unread email, unread instant messages. Here, it is called the subscription, which notifies you about new blog posts and subscribe discussion forums, topics, and trends. So that's all. Thank you.
If you are using your mobile phones, there's an application where you can log in your Brightspace account. This is the Brightspace Pulse. As you can see on the screen, it shows the homepage where you can find the soundboxes of your subjects. In this case, I have 6 subjects, and these are Physical Education, Literature, Kontekstualisadong Komunikasyon sa Filipino, Purposive Communication, Understanding the Self, and General Psychology. The sandbox of your subjects contains the content where you can see your modules. You can see here the course description and the learning outcomes. Also, you can see here the classifications, and these are Heart, Head, and Hand. Heart contains activity that you need to accomplish. In this case, we were asked to watch a Zumba video and write a reaction paper about it. Head contains the lessons. Posted in here are the PowerPoints that you can open to study. Hand contains the quizzes you need to answer. As you can see, I still have one pending quiz for pre-prelim. While using your Brightspace Pulse, you can see all the aspects in the application. If you wish to see the discussions of the class, you have to go to the sandbox of the subject. Let's see what we have here in purposive communication. You need to tap the 3 white dots in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, tap the Launch Course homepage and it will direct you to the browser link of the Brightspace. You can see the discussions on the left side. Here, you can see the list of a certain question asked by your professor to the class and the answers of your classmates. In this case, you can see on the screen that we were asked to write our thoughts about globalization. Here you can see all the answers posted by my classmates in this class. Your Brightspace also indicates the names of all the students enrolled on this subject. The class list can be found on the left side. Here you can see the names, their images, and their role as a learner. This also includes the total number of users. Your Brightspace includes your progress in a certain class. You can also see the class progress on the left side. Here, you can see the progress summary. It is composed of all the contents, discussions, assignments, quizzes, checklists, and surveys on the subject. What's more is that you can see the number you have accessed the course and your login history. If you wish to know more about Brightspace, you can see Help and More on the left side of the screen. Here, you can see video tutorials and more about Brightspace. Using your Brightspace Pulse application, you can see at the homepage the notification on the right lower corner of the screen. Here you can see updates and you'll get notified about your grades, content added by your professors, and deadlines of your tasks. If you want to see your profile, tap your picture on the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can see and change your picture, put some tagline, and include your interests and hobbies.
Why do we need to encourage ourselves to pursue or continue our education in the middle of pandemic? Because we are the inspiration, strength, and the future of our community. Not just the community, but the society. Online class will always be a new system of learning, but Brightspace make it easier, facilitate reliable and secure platform for our new way of studying. We students focus to our goals to succeed and achieve the victory in the near future. And always remember, yesterday is a past, tomorrow is a future, and today is a gift. That's why it's called present. Never waste time, because your life depends on your decision.